Look at that. The sparkliness of the whole ceiling. That's not even frost either. That's just the minerals. There's some frost, but oh, I'm getting dripped on. Yeah, I can't get down there. It's too muddy. And the creek seems to be flowing a lot more. Fuck, I was hoping I could explore more of it. Because like the whole, that there is a creek. It goes from there, down, and across. I want to go to that area there because I can't get up that. But it's so slippery and I have no grip on my shoes, and I'll have to come back some other time. But you can see all the dumbasses who've littered. But yeah, I can't get that. I literally, my bottoms of my shoes are flat. But yeah, I'll have to come back some other time, which is unfortunate. It's always unfortunate, but you know. Oh well. I found a wallet, and I keep hearing knocking from deeper in the cave. That's fun. Is there anything in it? There's no money. It's a fucking... That sucks. Might be one of the little pockets, but I can't check right now because hands full. Oh, I'm tempted to go in there. Is that a fucking fishing pole? Someone was fishing down here, Mom. There's a fishing pole. Yeah. What are they going to catch? Lizards? I have no idea. Dude, if we go fishing here one day and there's like actual fish like that, now I'm kind of tempted to go further because like there's some cool shit. But I couldn't. Like it's too slippery. I'd slip. I could go around that way. I'll leave this bet. See, I don't like the knocking from in the cave. That's not like a thing that I like. That's not a good thing. You don't want to hear knocking sounds from in a cave. Like what? Where does that lead? There's a fishing pole. Look. Who the hell be fishing? Fishing. Something chicken. Oh, I want to go in. But at the same time, there's knocking noises and it's slippery. Oh, what does my better judgment say? See, why do you keep making noises? Like, dude, that's... I'm going in, like, the cave, the air coming from it feels really warm. It's like winter outside and it's cold outside, but the air feels like warm and humid. Like, it feels like springtime air, which is... You'd think it'd be colder, and I'm not sure how I feel about it being warmer inside. Maybe it makes sense? I don't know if it makes sense. Does it have to make sense? Does anything make sense? Fuck, it's gonna be hard as hell to walk. I don't think that leads anywhere. I think it's just a little nook. Tom nook. There's a... Huh. Yeah. Nope. Even I have my limitations to creepy shit. It's probably just rocks. But why does it keep happening consistently? There's just warm air blowing in. It's like warm. It's like 60, 70 degree feeling type air. It's like warming my hands. It's like putting your hands near like a heater. Like... I don't like the knocking sounds. Hey, can y'all be quiet real quick? I swear to God, I just heard some shit. Please to God, tell me that's a motherfucking rock. Yeah, it's just a dry part of the rock. I do shit like this all the time. I've been down there before. But like, hearing the noises and the... Doesn't even look like the creek's flowing, but it's making a fuck ton of noise. It's like the echoing from probably wherever else. What? No, dude. That's like water dripping on like one of those. It has to be, because that sounded like one of those, and it dripped on one of those. There's probably one further back. People probably having beers. They were goofing around. I mean, there's some. Oh, that was a fucking leaf. I got jump scared by a leaf. Oh my fucking god. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm good. I'm going. Nope. Even I have my limitations to what I'll fucking do. And this has surpassed them quite a lot.